Okay, I'm going to show you the clock mechanism, Vernier caliper. This is a digital Vernier caliper, so it's slightly easier for me to read because it has a screen here, and I'm going to set it to 0. A drill bit, and obviously I've got a piece of acrylic. And the first thing I need to do is, so that I know the diameter of the drill bits that I'm going to be using on the pillar drill, I need to measure this mechanism part here that's going to go through the centre of our clock. And to do that, I'm going to use the Vernier caliper. The Vernier caliper slides apart, and it has two parts. It has this side here, which measures the outside diameter here, and this part here that measures an inside diameter of a hole. So if I wanted to measure the inside of a hole, I'd push those two pieces together there, and I can pop them into a gap here. And I can see that it is 3.8. I'm not interested in that part of the clock mechanism though. I'm interested in this part here. I'm going to push that around the outside and make sure it's nice and tight, and you can see it's 5.7. If I actually move it away, I want the clock to fit neatly around this part here, which is 9.9, and you can see that's quite loose, so if I push it down slightly further, I'm going to be drilling around 8.5 here. Okay, now this is where the drill bit becomes a little bit more interesting, and I'm not sure if you can actually see this on the phone. So if I zoom in slightly there, around the top of a drill bit, just push, around the top of the drill bit, there will always be the markings that say HSS for high speed steel, so they're telling you what the material is that the drill bit has been made from, which means what materials you can actually use it to drill with. And if you look really closely there, it's quite hard on this camera, it says 8.5. I think I've managed to catch it in the light just enough to show that that's the right size drill bit for us to be using. So now I'm going to take these over to the drill and show you how to set up the pillar drill.